Hey guys, this is Luciano back with another video. Today we're playing Edgeworks again, but today I'm going to show you how to get the rocket launcher. So you can create a new server or find a server. So right when you get in, if you spawn at the gun shop over around here, then you can just right around this corner. So if you spawn at the gun shop, you just have to go down here, then come back this way, and then go this way. So yeah, okay, so it's gonna take a little while to get here. Okay, almost there. It's right there. So once you get up here, then go over here. Then once you get right here, you gotta climb up it. Oh man, I fell down. Alright. So once you get up to this part, see these right here? Only these you can grab onto, not this. You can only grab onto this. If I can probably get up here. Oh man, knew that was gonna happen. I knew it. Okay. Please let me get up. Okay. I'm up. So right, I have control drift, so it's gonna be hard for me to get up here. Okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna hold on to here. Right when you get up here, just jump off. Then here it is, rocket launcher. Now you can mess around with this, or you can watch my other videos on how to get the grappling hook and just grapple up here. Then that's it for this video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.